UMA is a fantastic platform for being able to connect with new products in the industry, learn about new experiences, new things that are coming out within operating motor coaches, operating businesses. It gives us an education tool to really touch base with the industry and different people that impact how we're transitioning into the next phase of our operation.
UMA is key. Even though you have to develop the product, you also need a platform to bring it to market. And that's what UMA has been able to deliver for us.
One of the reasons we always continue to come back again is the ability to learn about businesses within the industry. If you really want to grow your business and expand your network, as they say, your network is your net worth. This is the place to really participate in, and it's a great investment overall.
UMA EXPO definitely is the leading show for vendors where we can see everybody. It's great to have the education and the training sessions. You learn tools that you can take back and implement into your own business, which is really positive, and it's a win-win for everyone.
You're able to learn from each other, you're able to collaborate together, not only during the sessions, but then you get to truly learn about what's new on the motor coaches, on the vehicles, and what other vendors are bringing here for you.
It's the best way to get together with all your people, all your peers. You learn, you see, you connect. It's a great organization and a great time.
Seeing new equipment is pretty exciting to me. Learning about products and services that are out there that I didn't know that was out there.
If you're not in UMA and if you're not participating in the trade shows, you're missing out on 80% of the knowledge that you can gain about the business that you've entered and put all of your capital and time into. If you want to maximize the efforts that you've been giving of yourself for all these years, you've got to expand your mind, come and educate yourself, network with the friends, build your network for support, and learn how to do the motor coach industry for best practices, and that's going to turn into profit.
The investment you make in the trip, you recoup that 100 times over.